Alright, welcome back to Economics. This is Dr. Kling. Today I just want to give a numerical example of doing costs. And so this is just arithmetic. I think it's pretty boring actually, but it's the type of thing that can show up and you don't want to not get it right. It's a real gimme if they give you something like this on the AP. Okay, so what I've made up here is the relationship between total costs and quantities. So if you produce 0 units of output, it costs you 200. 1 unit of output, 210. 2 unit of output's 218, and so on. So this 200 looks a lot like a fixed cost since you incur that cost without producing any output. So if you were to we should probably put variable cost. Well, I'll put variable cost over here. The total variable cost for 0 units of output is 0. For 1 unit of output is 10. So we just subtract whatever cost minus the fixed cost to get variable cost. So we get 18, 25, 32, 50, and I've got one more line here if I can get it on the screen. That'll be, I guess, 130. So those are all the variable costs. Okay, average cost is just total cost divided by quantity. Total cost over quantity equals average cost. So for 200 it's undefined. For 210 it's 210 divided by 1 is 210. For 218, it's 218 divided by 2 is 109. 225 divided by 3. Not going to be a round number, is it? Yes, it is. 75. 232. 4 into 232 is about 56.5. 5 into 250 is 50. 6 into 330 is, I want to say, 55. Okay. Marginal cost is the additional cost of producing the next unit of output. So it's this minus that. So for 1 unit of output it's 10. So going from 0 to 1 unit of output costs you $10. And then to go to the second unit of output we subtract and we get 8. So we're just taking differences there. So we get 10, 8, 7, 7, 250 minus 32 is 18, 330 minus 50 is 80. So that's what our marginal costs are doing in this simple numerical example. The only thing I would caution you is they might give you a problem where instead of starting with total cost, they'll give you average cost and quantity, and then you've got to take average cost and multiply by quantity to get total cost. So there are various tricks of filling out these sorts of charts, but I'm sure you'll be able to handle it. And that's it for that.